Welcome back to our channel released on Netflix. Let's start the video now. Agent Phoebe Donegan has been operating to take down the good girls because of the ultimate season, and on Sunday's episode, a person ultimately took the fall. Good Girls is now caught in repetitive storytelling while it wishes a sparkling start. This could have been come from the plain dying of crime boss Rio Manny Montana inside the season finale. Instead, Rio maintains to stay on season 4, and the girls are still identifying the way to do away with him for truth and live their own tale. They simply preserve coming lower back to season rectangular 1. For a primary couple of episodes, Good Girl hovers in a cushy narrative pattern. Beth remains operating for Rio, the use of the new bath shop she runs together along with her husband Dean, Matthew Lillard, as a front to launder money in place of their now shut down automobile dealership. She is likewise faced through the hitman she formerly employed to kill Rio. Mr. Fitzpatrick's Andrew McCarthy is a storyline which is harking back to Leslie, aka Boomer from season 1. Ruby and Stan Reno Wilson address extra economic woes as they assist out their daughter Sarah's kidney donor family. Agent Phoebe Lauren Lapkus has long undercover with Beth as opposed to Ruby, hoping to find the info of a scheme, even though her higher-ups don't trust a football mother will be worried about such crimes. Also subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news and updates. However, it's Annie who receives the last stop of the stick but again. Whitman dwells into Annie's feelings with her just like she did together along with a man or woman in Parenthood. However, the scripts don't deliver Annie the possibility to evolve. While she spent a maximum of 0.33 season attempting to connect to her therapist and failing her GED test, this season frequently checks her competencies as a mother. Her courting with teenage on Ben starts to flatter, and Annie simply refuses to develop up. It became a laugh to look at these carefree Annie in advanced seasons as it aligned with the plot. After all, it became her preliminary concept to rob the area wherein she labored that began out everything. But in its 4th year, it's far awesome and tiresome to watch Good Girls now no longer deliver Annie and Whitman worth material. The episode Fall Guy does ultimately kick matters into gear, but it expands Ruby and Stan's arc with a bit of luck giving them together due to the fact Retta and Wilson percentage present on display screen chemistry. It additionally lends a few added hooks to Annie's parenting fashion and dwells into Beth and Dean romance, giving much wished perception into their coding because the display maintains its tries to redeem Dean's man or woman. But it's the 0.33 season of the season, you will need to be patient. Thank you for watching the video till end. For more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news and updates, please visit our website www.lazenetflix.com, and if you like our video then hit the like button and share it with your friends. Also to stay updated, please subscribe to our channel Laser Netflix.